Okay, just show you what I did quickly to get this circle to follow a path. Really, like we've said, that's really too big to go around these curves because of intersecting geometry. It just won't go. So the way I did it is, and obviously to follow the same shape, as obviously I've got vertex snap. Um, Clicked on line tool, so just zoom in a little bit, one line there, another line there, so basically going, just creating all these angled lines, and then if we just move this 200 mil, 200 centimeters that way, and then modify meet two lines. So this is basically going to create the joins in between. Got two lines there, which there maybe for some reason. So let's just get rid of that. The other line I want. Right, so now theoretically it should rail sweep now. Obviously you can set this crimp up beforehand if you want. So sometimes turn snaps off on this, so we've got that, but now we want to use compound path because we want it to follow all those. So click that, click finish. As you can see, that's now followed it and it's crimped the outside curves. Obviously you can select that and uncrimp it default. The bend one, that won't work because it's trying to put a bend in there and it just won't work. I think that's the reason why it's not working, even if you put a even if you go into properties, because obviously when you go into properties you do get the option to select it because it just errors if you try and do it there. But if you click bend, minimum radius 0.01, so you just won't do it. So crimp is the only one sort of, so you can get it to sort of follow path. So if we just tools, to front, let's change that to red, and then minus 200, so you can see there it's relatively following it. If you do a draft render, you can obviously see it a lot better in that. So I hope that makes it clear what's a way to follow that tight zigzag without getting intersecting errors and it throwing a wobbler. Okay, I hope that helps.